Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Love Me Hair lace closure wig right here. The hair is actually 20 inches and it came in this gorgeous purple packaging. The packaging came with loads of amazing goodies like a wig cap, an instruction of how to take good care of your hair, an hair ring, baby hair comb, an airband, and also this cute little purple like mirror lace thing in the packaging. So this is what the hair looks like, guys. The hair is silky straight out of the box. As you guys can tell, the construction of the cap is glueless. You don't need any glue or gel to install the hair, and the hair also comes with an elastic band as well, so you can actually secure your hair with the elastic band, or you can use the elastic strap to secure your hair. As you guys can tell, the hair has actually been customized straight out of the box. The knot has been bleached straight out of the box. The hair also comes with center part straight out of the box, and it comes with 3 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back as well. So this video I'm going to be showing you guys the easiest way to install your hair, and which is just to cut your lace and you would be good to go. So we're not going to use any glue, any gel, any spray, nothing at all. We're just going to cut our lace and that is it. We're not going to secure the hair because the lace is already melted straight out of the box. All we're going to do is just cut our lace and we would be good to go. Let's find out if we'll be good to go or not. But as they claim, you don't need any glue or gel. So let's give it a go and let's see if that claim is actually true. So what I'm doing right here is just to accentuate the parts by applying the Fenty Beauty powder, foundation powder on the parts, and then spray the ICT hair oil on the hair just to be able to use the hot comb on the hair without like an heat protection spray anyway. So yeah, so bear in mind that we didn't apply any glue or gel. So far so good. All we did was just to cut our lace and yep, and then apply the hot comb. So there was no need for this part, but I decided to do it anyway just to make sure that you guys can see that you can actually straighten this hair because it's 100% human hair. It's silky straight out of the box, but I just love to straighten it for you guys by the way. So yeah, I straightened the hair on both sides and voila, look at that. The volume of the hair is just amazing, and the hair is definitely true to length. As you guys can tell, it's 20 inches, but look at that. It's below my boobs. So yeah, I am loving it. Look at that. Simple, straightforward, and no gel, no glue, no nothing, and we are good to go. Look at that bounciness to the hair, the luster of the hair straight out of the box, no products applied apart from the pads, and look at that, definitely true to length and very silky to touch. Stay tuned for my review. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Love Me hair lace closure wig right here. The hair is actually 22 inches and it's a 5x5 lace closure wig. You guys already know the drill when it comes to Love Me hair. The quality of their hair is top notch, so I don't really need to say much. As you guys can tell, straight out of the box the hair was really silky and very soft. So I'm just going to quickly go straight to the point and share my thoughts about the hair with you guys. First thing I noticed straight out of the box is how soft and silky the hair feels straight out of the box. I was like, wow, this is really soft. I love how soft and how silky the hair is, and I love the fact that everything has been done for you guys straight out of the box, so you don't have to do anything but just cut your lace and you would be good to go. As you guys can tell in this video, I didn't use any glue or gel to install this hair. This hair is actually glueless, like glueless. This is a glueless install and the hair is going nowhere. I actually used the elastic band in the construction of the cap to install this hair, so there was no need for glue or gel or anything like that. Especially now that it's summer, you need the type of hair that you can slap on your head and you will be good to go. With this one, all you need to do is just cut your lace and you will be good to go. The knots has actually been bleached for you guys straight out of the box, and the lace of this hair is just amazing. As you guys can tell, it's melted into my skin and disappeared effortlessly. One of the amazing thing I really love about this hair, and the hair has been pre-plucked straight out of the box, the knot has been bleached for you guys, and the hair also comes with center part straight out of the box. How amazing is that? All you need to do is just cut your lace and off you go. This is one of the easiest install ever. If you are the type that just want to wear your wig and off you go, then this is definitely for you. You don't have to, you know how to install your hair. You don't need to know how to customize a wig or how to install a wig before you can actually wear this wig. This is the type of wig that you just bring out of the box and you would be good to go. And I am loving it, guys. I am loving it. So in terms of the quality, guys, there has been no shedding or tangling whatsoever. Throughout the styling of this hair, I didn't experience any shedding or tangling at all. I love the fact that the hair has an amazing luster to it straight out of the box. As you guys can tell, look at that, super duper silky, very soft, and you know, very full. I love the quality of the hair. When it comes to quality, I am always in for Love Me Hair, you know, lace wig. The quality of their hair is always top notch. Like, look at that, very full, very silky, and also very soft to touch, with zero shedding, zero tangling whatsoever. So I am loving this so far. And when it comes to their shipping, guys, their shipping is always very quick. It took exactly 4 days to get here in the UK, which for me is really amazing. If you guys don't know Love Me Hair are a hair brand that sells all types of hair on their website. They have lace frontal wig, they have lace closure wig, and they have all types of hair texture and length and colors on their website. So if you check out their website, you definitely find something for you and your loved ones. And in terms of the length of the hair, as you guys can tell, the hair is actually 20 inches long, and look at that. Definitely true to length, in my opinion. Definitely true to length. I showed you guys the back of the hair as well. It's definitely true to length. Would I really recommend this hair? Absolutely. I would definitely recommend Love Me Hair. You know, when it comes to Love Me Hair, I always feel this kind of, you know, butterflies inside of me, because they always deliver. When it comes to quality, they always deliver. And for this hair, it's definitely AA+ for me. So always look at that, guys. And the hair is going nowhere. The hair is very well secured. It's going nowhere. No glue, no gel, no nothing. Just cut the lace and you'll be good to go. No one would know. No one would know. Look, the hair is going nowhere. Would I really recommend this hair? Absolutely. In terms of how easy it is to install the hair, it's definitely AA+ for me. In terms of the customization of the hair, is definitely AA+ for me, and in terms of their shipping, is definitely AA+ for me, and in terms of the quality of their hair, top notch, definitely AA+ for me. And in terms of how soft, how silky the hair is, and the fact that there has been no shedding, no tangling whatsoever, and the construction of the cap is definitely AA+ for me. And in terms of the lace of the hair, guys, look at that. Show me the lace. Like, where is the lace? This hair is not melted down. Like, I just cut off the extra lace, and that was. In terms of the lace, is definitely AA+ for me, because it melted into my skin. Like, where is the lace? I didn't use anything to secure the hair, and I am good to go. Look at that. You can hardly tell if there's any lace on this hair at all, but there is. It's a lace wig, not my natural hair. So yeah, I am loving it. As you guys can tell, the excitement I feel whenever I'm doing their hair is just amazing. Like, look at that. I am loving it. So yeah, that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.